So let's see how the dhaba works and how it has been developed. Being presented, I would request you all to please put the Redmi on a full screen. There is a Redmi screen with you. Okay, so we can see this dhaba. This is just in a space of around 3 feet by 8 feet. We can see that there is a small refrigerator. By the side of the refrigerator, on top of the, by the side of the refrigerator, we have induction. So they just fit into that small space. Let's show something what is there on top of the refrigerator. So we have a oven, toaster, griller over here, and just over there we have that calf sign, which shows that that is the exhaust chimney, which is being used for the purpose in case if there is some smoke which emanates from there. Now here you can see the small refrigerator holds most of those things as are required by dhaba. So that is there. Below that there is a complete there is a complete set of products which has been kept. So the dhaba doesn't really mean it is just something to eat. There is something to drink also and many things to drink. So it's a complete dhaba which is there. And below that, now let's come down to the specifics of how we are going to make. So this is tea. The tea bags are there. We will get on to the specifics of tea. Here we have some sweets and dhoklas which are there. So they help us in going ahead with whatever is the requirement from the menu. Let's come down to how we make. Oh, yeah. So we have some camel milk also over here, and maybe any kind of different milks, they can be there. So this is not just a representation from one state, but it comes from all the places. We have soups. So Nor soup can also be made, or any other soup which one desires. So that can be there. Soft drinks surely are there. Now we come down how to make it. So this is the board on which we can make rotis. One of them can be used to come out with the induction. So we can just extend the induction in case there is an issue. This is how you can go ahead and make the parathas or rotis or go ahead with kebabs, whatever. Now we come down to the specifics of how to make some tea or sharbat in case if we want. So this is a water dispenser which dispenses hot, cold and normal water. The tea that we were having is actually coming out of this. So we can always have hot water, and then we have some pre-cooked sachet teas which are there. So we have continuous hot water as well as cold water from this. This water dispenser, in addition to the hot and cold water, also has a space for a small refrigerator below it. So we can have those bottles over there, and you can keep something cold to keep. Sir, नीचे वाला hot. Now professor emphasizes, in addition to things being cold, you can even put some hard drinks over there. So maybe a lot of emphasis on that hard part today. So you can keep it. Yes, obviously that is there if in case someone wants.
सब चीज की अलग अलग भी किस्सा है।
उनके तो खिची साथ में क्या कहते हैं जो वो है मैन्युफैक्चरर।
हाँ, मैन्युफैक्चरर बैठ हैं।
बैठिए।
क्या?
हाँ, इसको बंद कर दीजिए। उनकी भी आएगी।
नहीं, ये कैसे पता चले रेस्टोरेंट चली थी?
ये भी ठीक।
उससे पूछा कि
7 बजे आता है।
आप कोई गाड़ी का नाम दुनिया में किसी की जो कार बनती है किसी का नाम पूछ लीजिए, बता दे A to Z सब बताएंगे।
बच्चे भी कमाल के हैं।
बच्चे हैं बहुत।
उससे आए हैं।
तेज बोलते कहने बात।
उसने पूछा अमिताभ बच्चन ने 50 लाख जब वो जीत गया,
हाँ, वो देखा था मैंने।
अब आपकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शुरू हो जाएगी। कहने लगा सर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में बहुत पैसा लगता है।
कितनी देर बनेगा वीडियो? तो अब हमने उतारा। न्याम